Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your internet service with Comcast. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your internet service with Comcast, start by visiting the official Comcast website. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Services section in your account dashboard. Look for the option labeled Transfer Service. Click on the Transfer Service option to begin the process. You'll be prompted to enter your new address. Make sure to input the complete address, including any apartment or unit numbers. After entering your new address, click Continue. Review the available service options at your new location. Select the desired internet plan that you wish to transfer. Once you've chosen a plan, confirm the transfer details. Next, select a date for the service transfer. Ensure the date works for you, as this will be when your service is activated at the new address. After choosing a date, click Continue to proceed. Review your order summary carefully. If everything looks correct, confirm the transfer by clicking on Submit. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after complete. Follow any additional instructions in the email to finalize your transfer. If required, arrange for any equipment return or pickup. Prepare to set up your equipment at your new location on the transfer date. Make sure to test your internet connection once you're settled in. If you experience any issues, contact Comcast customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.